Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Unless, of course, you have the trader in.
Oh, you're fine, don't you?
Okay, all right.
How if I said
Kwame, sir, if you're more here, who Nsusunya Adaba, day 10 of 2 weeks special lockdown.
Yeah.
Fake videos or real police stroke military excesses recorded in lockdown areas. President announces measures to mitigate lockdown suffering. Ekufuado adopting Mahama's social interventions. The last verse of the Bible says, and I laughed. As Ekufuado adopting Mahama's social interventions. Anyway, this is a drowning entity gasping for breath. A drowning entity. And you can excuse them. They want to continue to remain relevant. Unfortunately, hard as they tried, so the people can't see them because they are drowning. Kwame. Now,
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?